I'm Kenneth Griffin and I'm the Egypt Centre's curator, and I've been in this position for just over a year now. So this year the Egypt Centre marks 25 years since we opened to the public. The really special things about these exhibits is that we've got objects on loan from Harrogate Museum. 813 objects arrived to us in February, and we've just put on the first exhibition called Causing Their Name to Live. One of the expressions that the ancient Egyptians would use in their funerary texts, believing that to speak the name of the dead is to make them live again. So to have these objects and to reveal the names, to put them on display and to help them live again in the afterlife is something particularly special for us.
So we've officially and permanently transferred our statue, the cast of the statue, to the Egypt Centre in Swansea, where he now lives, to be reunited alongside the cast of the base of the statue, which is part of the permanent collection in Swansea. The statue that's going on display represents an individual called gyda, and we know him as gyda the Saviour. It's a very important, very unique statue of this man. It's covered in hieroglyphs, which are magical spells, and he sits on a base as well, which is also covered in hieroglyphs in ancient Egyptian writing.
The Harrogate collection is a really interesting story, actually. I came to Harrogate as part of my PhD research. I'm looking at little wooden funerary figures. You have these little dolls, they're part of funerary models, and I've tried to go to every collection in the UK to get a complete corpus to work with. This is the little lady in question that I went to meet at Harrogate. She's going to be going on display next to some other figures from Beni Hassan, so she'll have some friends to be with and hopefully be enjoyed by all the visitors.
The main exhibition that we have here from the Harrogate collection, it's one of 3 that we're going to do over the next 3 years as part of the loan. And I think it'll really enhance people's visits to not just the Egypt Centre, but also to Swansea University, because the collection that we have here is so unique. Some of the pieces that we don't previously have in the Egypt Centre collection, making it much better as an experience for visitors who are coming here.